Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure the device has decent battery and some free storage. Low resources cause system instability. First, force stop the app that keeps crashing, then reboot the phone to clear temporary faults. Once done, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app triggers the issue. Safe mode disables added apps so you can isolate the cause quickly and avoid wasting time reinstalling essentials. Next, focus on deeper fixes. Clear the app cache, and if crashes persist, clear its data. This resets the app but often resolves corrupted state. Make sure to update both the app and the Android system. Outdated components can conflict and cause stoppages. If problems began after installing or updating an app, uninstall that app or uninstall its updates, then test again. These steps remove corrupted files and compatibility mismatches that commonly trigger repeated app keeps stopping messages. To finish, back up all personal data and perform a factory reset only if earlier steps fail. This restores system integrity by removing persistent corruption. If the issue persists, use OEM recovery tools or reinstall firmware via official software to replace damaged system files. Make sure to wipe the cache partition from recovery before a full reset, because sometimes cached system data, not user apps, triggers crashes. If nothing works, contact manufacturer support with logs and recent change history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.